Inside Cosmetics, I have a bone to pick with you. Hi, you guys. I hope you are doing amazing. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Maitri Thakkar and I create beauty content on Instagram as well as YouTube. Today, we are here to talk about, review, and swatch the newest launches by Inside Cosmetics, and they're all lipsticks. I have literally bought every single lipstick that they recently launched, which includes, I think, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. And I am so excited to swatch them for you guys. I literally got so many requests from all of you guys saying that swatch these. So here we are, and I promised you guys, so I had to create this video. You guys know my love for Inside Cosmetics. I have been using that brand for years and I love the formulations. I've already spoken about that. Also, this might be a long video because I'm swatching 5 different lipsticks and they're all different ranges. So I'm going to have to review each of them separately and swatch them separately. So in case if you're planning to eat a snack or like grab your dinner or lunch, I would highly recommend you do that because this might become a long video. For anybody who's wondering what am I wearing on my lips right now, I'm wearing the Mars lip liner in the shade Cinnamon Roll. I topped it up in the center with the Maybelline Super Stay Teddy tint in the shade Mascara Tear, which is this one right here. And then I just added this gloss. You can add any clear gloss that you want, but I've added the Stays gloss just on top to get that beautiful shine. Let's just dive into the reviews and swatches one by one. The first lipstick that I'm going to be talking about and reviewing is the Pure Matte lipstick. This is what the outer packaging looks like. And I got myself the shade 11 Unmatchable. Now, if you guys know, these are all going to be browns, nudes, and mauves. This is what the inner packaging of the Pure Matte lipstick looks like. Trust me, this looks like a high-end luxe lipstick that you would spend maybe 4,000 or 5,000 rupees on to get it. Let me just compare it with one of my luxe lipsticks and show you how similar it is. This is one of my Estee Lauder lipsticks, which I think would retail more than 2,000 for sure. And this has a magnetic cap and it has a beautiful packaging, beautiful gold packaging. This is the Inside Cosmetics Pure Matte lipstick. It literally looks the same but in a different color, and it has a thinner packaging, but it's literally the same. It has a magnetic packaging, and this one retails only for 345 rupees. Like, Inside Cosmetics, are you kidding me? Like, this is so cool. For 345, if I'm spending 345 and I'm getting this packaging, I am very happy as a customer of the packaging. This product has already won my heart. This is the amount of product you get in this lipstick. Let me give you guys a quick swatch on my hand of what this shade looks like. That is a beautiful brown lipstick right there. Something I absolutely love. Formula, when I was actually gliding it on my hands, it felt so creamy, so buttery. The powder matte texture or a formula. Let me just get rid of this lip combo that I have already right now and swatch the Pure Matte for you guys. Wow, that actually felt so smooth and buttery. Oh my god. That has one swipe pigmentation and it literally glides onto your lips so smoothly. No patchiness whatsoever. I am just in love with this shade specifically. This is an incredible shade. Looks so beautiful without a lip liner. If you add a lip liner, it's going to look even more beautiful. Given me even application throughout my lips, as you can see, and it is so comfortable to wear. Extremely lightweight. Feels like I'm literally wearing nothing on my lips. Almost feels like a powder matte formula. Like, I can tell that it's not a lipstick that's going to dry out your lips. If you're planning to add this to your cart, just add it right now before this stocks out. Now that we've given it a little time, let's check if it is transfer proof. No, it is not transfer proof. Even though it is not transfer proof, I can see that a lot of my lipstick is still there on my lips. It's not completely transferred. So you just maybe, need a little bit of touch up every time you're eating or drinking. But this lipstick is something that is definitely worth your money. If you're somebody who likes a good, comfortable lipstick that feels like buttery smooth on your lips and has amazing shades in the range, I would highly recommend you go ahead and check this one out. The next lipstick that we're going to be reviewing and swatching is one of the lipsticks that I got, I think one of the most comments for, which was the Forever Matte Lip Color. A lot of you guys said that, you guys want me to swatch this and review this. I got myself the shade 11 Dessert Drive because, again, it's a brown lipstick. It has rice bran water, hyaluronic acid. This is what the packaging of the lipstick looks like. See if it is a magnetic cap. No, it's not a magnetic cap. It's a cap that closes by the click itself. So when you hear the click is when the lipstick is closed. However, it's a retractable lipstick, so you don't need to sharpen it. This is the amount of product you get in the Forever Matte lipstick. Giving you guys a quick swatch of what this shade 11 Dessert Drive looks like. It's a beautiful nude. These lipsticks have one swipe pigmentation, and how right off the bat it feels like it's already matte on my lips, which I really love. I personally love matte lipsticks. It's a beautiful color. If you're somebody who likes a nude lipstick, you would definitely like this shade. Like, there's no doubt in that. Now that we've given the lipstick a little bit time, let's see if it is transfer proof or smudge proof. There's barely any transfer. So I think if you give it a little bit more time, it will become completely transfer proof. Overall, I would definitely recommend this lipstick formula. The next lipstick that we're going to be swatching is their Inside Professional Radiant Lip Color. It just looked so tempting, especially this shade that I picked out, which is called Espresso Kiss. This is what the inner packaging looks like. This packaging just spoke to me so much, I had to pick it up. It has hyaluronic acid, avocado oil, so it is hydrating. I really like the shade range of this particular lipstick. In fact, all the Inside Cosmetics lip products, they have a good shade range. Like, they have varied shades that you can pick from: nudes, browns, pinks, mauves, reds. Definitely check out their ranges. But this particular range has 12 shades in it. I picked out the brown one, of course. Comes with this doe fit applicator, which looks really nice and sleek. Swatch of this shade. Oh my god, that is a beautiful brown. I love that. Wow. That's gonna look so pretty. I can't wait. Inside Cosmetics, I have a bone to pick with you. What the hell is this? This is so bloody good. It has a shine of a lip gloss, but it is a lipstick. The pigmentation of this lipstick is just insane. Like you guys saw me actually swipe it on my lips, and it was so easy to apply. It literally glided on so smoothly. Just, oh my god, I don't know how to describe this lipstick. Like, it feels so nice on my lips. It has a very lightweight formula. The finish of this lipstick is something I am a fan of. And you're getting this pigmentation and this finish out of a 399 rupees lipstick. You have got to be kidding me. Like, you, Inside Cosmetics, have got to be kidding me. Go get your hands on this before this stocks out, because I think this is definitely going to be a fan favorite, and for all the right reasons. This particular lipstick should get viral, and how? Because this deserves all the hype and all the love from you guys. Let's see if it transfers or not. It is completely a transfer proof lipstick. This lipstick is definitely Maitri approved. This gets a huge 10 on 10 from my end. Add this to your cart today. We have two more lipsticks to go through, and the next lipstick that we're going to be talking about is the Vinyl Lip Color by Inside Cosmetics, and I got myself two shades. One is in a pink nude sort of a color, and one is a brown color. I used to love the Maybelline Vinyl Ink back in the day. I don't have them anymore, but I think I might have one or two, but I used to wear them a lot earlier. And that is the reason why when I saw Inside had launched a vinyl lip color sort of a product, I had to pick it up. And I got myself the shades 05 and 07, which is Sable Sunset and Cappuccino Crush. This is what the outer packaging of the product looks like. Each of these boxes are color coded with the shade inside. Let's swatch the shade 05 Sable Sunset first. This is what the inner packaging of the product looks like. Again, the products are also color coded to the shade that is inside. Comes with a nice doe fit applicator that's completely sleek. Is what the shade 05 Sable Sunset looks like. It's a beautiful pink lipstick. Extremely pigmented. I just wanted to swatch a different shade apart from brown from this range. So I picked out a different shade for you guys to see in case you guys like a pink lipstick. It doesn't really have any sticky or tacky feeling as such. This lipstick gave me even application throughout my lips, as you can see. And this is a buildable color, has that beautiful high shine and glossy finish. Overall, I really like the formula. Let's go ahead and try the next shade called a Cappuccino Crush, which I'm very excited to try. This is what Cappuccino Crush looks like. A proper dark brown chocolatey sort of shade. I think I forgot to mention that these actually smell like perfect chocolatey vanilla cupcakes. Like, this smells so damn good. Oh my god. This is what Cappuccino Crush looks like. I think it's very similar to the Radiant Lip Color that we swatched before this. I just feel like when I apply Inside Cosmetic lipsticks, I never have a problem, in the sense that I never face a problem when it comes to their pigmentation. I never face a problem in terms of even application, or just, the way the formulas feel are so easy to apply, so comfortable to wear, and the finishes are just exactly what's written on the box. Just look at that shine. It literally looks like I'm wearing a gloss, but I'm actually wearing a lipstick. Like, that is so cool. Now let's go ahead and see if it is transfer proof. It is completely a transfer proof lipstick. I love this. Solid 10 on 10 for this one. Now, talking about the last lipstick of the day that we're going to swatch and review, and it is the Inside Cosmetics Hydra Fix lipstick, and it is infused with vitamin E orange peel oil. Now that is something new. I got the shade Belly there, which is in the number 06. This is again going to be a brown shade. It is a hydrating lipstick, so don't expect it to be completely transfer proof. And this is the amount of product you get in this lipstick. I think this is one of the most drugstore lipsticks out of the entire haul. This one retails only for 150 rupees. Let me give you guys a quick swatch of what 06 Belly there looks like. Yeah, it's a gorgeous mauvish brown shade, so very similar to the first shade that we swatched for the Pure Matte lipstick, which was in the shade 11 Unmatchable. It glides very smoothly, as you can see, no patchiness whatsoever, extremely pigmented. Let's see if it performs the same way on our lips. Ooh, very, very smooth. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That is a gorgeous color. One swipe pigmentation. Love that. Very, very comfortable. Oh my god, I think this has to be the most comfortable lipstick out of them all. When I'm gliding my lips together, you can see the amount of comfort I feel. Like, this is a gem of a lipstick. This literally glided on my lips so effortlessly. It looks like I'm wearing a high-end lipstick when I'm just wearing a 150 rupees one. It feels extremely hydrating, super nourishing, and very, very soft on the lips. It almost feels like a buttery lipstick. It's a semi-matte finish, so it's not going to be completely transfer proof or completely matte. It's such a silky smooth lipstick, extremely lightweight. Like, when I'm even applying it, it feels like barely anything. There's no dryness or patchiness on my lips. My lips actually feel very hydrated and moisturized. It has an intense color payoff, as you saw. Now that we're done with our swatches, let me give you guys a quick recap of what each lipstick felt like and which lipstick out of them all is something I would recommend and prefer you get your hands on, depending on what your needs from a lipstick are. Both of these lipsticks were pretty similar when it comes to their formula and the way it felt on my lips. Both of them felt really nice, super comfortable on the lips, extremely pigmented, and both of them had a glossy sort of finish. The only thing is this one was a little bit more glossier than this one. Somebody who likes a completely matte lipstick that doesn't transfer or budge and which feels like a proper matte lipstick on your lips, Forever Matte Lip Color is the one you should go for. If you're looking to add a bullet lipstick to your collection, these are the two bullet lipsticks I swatched today. Both of them extremely pigmented, super comfortable on the lips, glided really nicely, and has even application and extremely pigmented. If you have any other product requests that you want me to review or swatch for you guys, leave them in the comments below. That's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video and if you found this to be helpful in any way, please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.